Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check how long your VC is. Hey, this is Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to check how long VC is suspended for on Roblox. Now it's pretty simple what you have to do. First, you want to go to voice.roblox.com/v1/settings. So make sure you type that into your browser, and before you log in, before you type this in, make sure you're logged in already on Safari, for example. Then you're going to see a bunch of things on the screen, but what interests you is this is banned. Now this is banned you will find here at the middle on the top screen, and then you want to go to unitimestamp.com, copy paste all of this text, paste it here, and then basically you will get the seconds. It's basically showing you when you will get unsuspended pretty much. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.